Hey guys, welcome back to News Breaks. Right now, after a long time, we are gonna see about a space topic. It's all about antimatter. Antimatter is one of the most fascinating and mysterious substances in the universe. Antimatter is the mirror opposite of normal matter. For every particles like electron, proton, neutron, there is an antiparticle, that is electron, that is positron, that is same mass and opposite charge, and proton, that is antiproton, and same way neutron, that is antineutron. So why antimatter is so special? That is matter plus antimatter is equal to annihilation. That is when matter meets matter, both are completely destroyed and turn into pure energy. Just 1 gram of antimatter can produce an explosion equal to a nuclear bomb. Same way, this reaction is called annihilation and it is 100% energy efficient, that is Einstein is equal to mc square in full power. Missing antimatter mystery, that is the Big Bang should have created equal amount of matter and antimatter, but the universe today is made almost entirely of matter. There is no antimatter found. And same so where did all the antimatter go? This is one of the biggest unsolved mysteries in physics which scientists are just looking. And same with fuel of the future about antimatter, that is because antimatter releases huge amounts of energy. It is being researched for space travel. A tiny bit of antimatter could potentially power a spaceship to Mars in weeks instead of. Next, it's all about antimatter used for medical purpose. That is, antimatter isn't just science fiction. Positrons are used in real-world medical scans like PET, that is positron emission tomography, to detect cancer and brain disorder. And same the most expensive material ever, that is antimatter, is the most expensive substance on earth. It costs around 62.5 trillion US dollar per gram because it is extremely difficult to make. And as a bonus thought, could antimatter world exist? Some scientists wonder if entire galaxy made of antimatter exists somewhere in the universe. If they ever collide with matter galaxy, the result would be catastrophic annihilation. Next, it's all about how antimatter is produced. Producing antimatter is not easy. It requires extreme condition, advanced technology and lot of energy. So first comes particle accelerator, that is the main method. That is, antimatter is mostly created in high energy particle accelerator like those at CERN in Switzerland. That is, scientists speed up particles like protons close to the speed of light. These particles collide with target materials. The collision creates extreme energy and some of that energy converts into new particles including antiparticles called positrons and protons and antiprotons, etc. Example, proton collision can produce a proton plus antiproton pair. And next, it's all about natural sources. Some antimatter is also created in nature, that is cosmic rays. High energy cosmic rays from its Earth atmosphere. These collisions naturally produce positrons and other antiparticles. And next, it's all about radioactive decay, that is certain radioactive isotopes emit positrons during decay. This is used in PET scans and medicine. And next, it's all about nuclear reaction. In certain experiment nuclear reaction, positron, the antimatter of electrons, can be emitted. Example, beta plus decay of certain unstable nuclei. And next, how it is stored. Antimatter can't touch regular matter or it will instantly annihilate. So it is stored using magnetic or electric field in a vacuum chamber called a pinning trap to keep it suspended, isolated. So first comes particle accelerator, that is antiprotons or positrons. It is in CERN Fermi lab. Next, it's all about cosmic rays, that is positron or antiprotons, that is upper atmosphere. And same way, next it's all about radioactive decay, that is positron, that is inside some atom. And last is all about nuclear reaction, that is positron, that is in lab. So I hope this video is really special because this is all about a future concept. Antimatter is not easily found. So I hope this video is interesting. So with that thought on this video, take care, have a great day.